Introducing a new, safe, and effective way of disinfecting your home or business from bacteria, viruses, and fungi, including hepatitis, influenza A and B, staph infection, other molds, and all variants of COVID-19. This is done using NebulaOne's patented pending technology that infuses hypochlorous into the atmosphere. What is hypochlorous? Unlike many of the products that are currently being sold for disinfection, which would prove toxic if ingested, hypochlorous, or HOCL, is a completely safe, natural substance formed in white blood cells of the human body to combat injury and infection from viruses and bacteria. Hypochlorous disrupts the cell walls of microorganisms and even causes breaks in single and double-stranded DNA and RNA bacteria and viruses, including COVID-19, to render these pathogens harmless. Hypochlorous is a broad-spectrum liquid disinfectant that contains no bleach or harsh chemicals, is 100% biodegradable, and is safe around pets and children. It's colorless, non-toxic, FDA-approved, and is incredibly effective in destroying organisms. Hypochlorous is used safely in dentistry, ophthalmology, general surgery, and enhanced sanitizing and surface cleaning. It is non-corrosive, and no mask, gloves, or special equipment is required when handling. NebulaOne's use of hypochlorous is based on a patent-pending method of aerosolizing hypochlorous from a liquid into a very fine or dry mist. Once suspended in the air, the hypochlorous covers all surfaces and remains in the air for an extended period of time. Studies indicate that hypochlorous can be effective for hours under ideal conditions. NebulaOne's patented pending technology aerosolizes hypochlorous down to a size of only 2 or 3 microns, which is too tiny to create liquid droplets, making it safe around electronics. This dry mist not only covers and cleans all surfaces, but it also neutralizes pathogens in the air, in ducts, and through HVAC systems. Because salt, or sodium chloride, is one of the compounds used to make hypochlorous, we can determine its presence in the air by seeing a torch flame turn from bright blue to orange. This means the hypochlorous has permeated the atmosphere in its immediate space, as well as the entire building through the air ducts, disinfecting everything in its path. And unlike wiping down surfaces for disinfection, which can lead to mist spots, the hypochlorous mist has been able to disinfect the air we breathe and all surfaces, seen and unseen. These results are measurable. All living organisms produce a compound called ATP for energy. If we can detect the presence of ATP on a surface, we can conclude that dangerous microorganisms are on that surface. When using methods of measuring ATP on surfaces, it's recommended that RLU, relative light units, be at least below 150 for cleanliness. After only minutes of exposure to our hypochlorous mist, the results are already dynamic, and this mist continues to disinfect the atmosphere for hours after the machine has been shut off, with reductions of ATP of up to 90%. Why continue to spend countless hours and manpower using toxic liquids, spraying and wiping only surfaces you can see, when you can create a completely disinfected and protected space using a natural, safe substance with just the push of a button? The NebulaOne machine is built to last, made from high-quality products right here in the US of A, and it is ideal for use in nursing homes, schools, airplanes, athletic departments, and high-traffic businesses. So, the choice is clear. Use NebulaOne's patented and safe hypochlorous mist to protect your home and business from many pathogens, including COVID-19.